Hello, guys! Hello, guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Astrid. So today, we will unbox and review this COGO Girls shooting game. So guys, this is the COGO Girls 3023-8. This is the shooting game. By the way, guys, you can watch my other videos like flower shop, just everything else. And you can visit my Facebook page and my YouTube channel. So guys, I have the COGO Girls Pet House, the COGO Girls Flower Shop, the COGO Girls Fashion Shop, and the COGO Girls Ice Cream Truck, and the last one is the fountain, COGO Girls Fountain. We have a lot of unboxing videos, and there's a lot of toys we'll be reviewing and unboxing soon. So, if you subscribe, just type on YouTube Astrid Mulles, that's my channel, and at my Facebook page Astrid DM. That's my Facebook page. By the way, guys, are you ready to unbox?
Yeah!
Yes! Wait!
Yeah!
Let's go! Okay, now let's open. I already. Oh, okay. So there's a lot of flower ones. Oh, a trophy! So cool. Oh, we have flowers again, just like the garden ones. The flower shop and the fountain. That's so cool. Yep, really, same stickers. Okay, ooh, so cool. Oh, there's a long baseboard. And there we go, the other ones. Whoa, there's a metallic one, so cool. Yeah. So guys, this is the inside of the box. The baseboard, the instructions, same stickers. So, this is one I can open. There we go. I need to separate it. Okay, you can just separate it first. Oh, the hairpiece. Cool. Then, the instructions. Wait, the other one. Here's the other one. The plastic here and the instructions. There, please part it. We need to do it like this. Okay, don't want to destroy it. This is instructions. Ooh, cool. Coolness. Ooh, okay. Cool. That's cool. So guys, are you ready to build the COGO Girls shooting game?
Yeah!
Let's go! guys, let's continue building. Let's go. Are you ready for the half one? Let's go. I'm done! This is the COGO Girls shooting game. So that means you need to do it like this. Oh, I don't want to do it like that because it's gonna be broken. It's gonna move the flower. Okay, this is the girl. She's sitting one of these purple ones. Purple chairs. So guys, this is the 6th time what I made for COGO Girls. But first, if you want to subscribe or like, you can comment anything on my and if you want to check more other of my videos, just check my channel or Facebook page. Astrid TM and Astrid Mulles, YouTube and Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share and click the subscribe button to get new videos on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!